Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download Best Wallet application on your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open up your App Store on your iOS. Also make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search box at the top and type in Best Wallet. Look for this application from Best Web3 Inc. and tap on the Get button to start downloading Best Wallet Bitcoin and crypto application. Sign in with your Apple ID or your Face ID and you will then be able to start the download process. Soon after the application downloads and install, you can go ahead and open the app and you will be able to download it on your iOS in just a couple of steps. So that is how you easily download Best Wallet app for your iOS. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.